This is Hackintosh Ultralight Pillows. I bought it from Amazon, so in this video, I'm gonna open the package to try to see how comfort it is. Let's get started. Actually, this is super light and the package is very small, fits in your backpack very easily. So this is the pillow, and here is the place that you can blow that air in. So actually it's very easy to blow. I don't stress. The one breath. So for two breaths, it's kind of soft. All right, three. I think that's enough. It's pretty good, and it comes with the little strap. And let me see how it feels. It feels pretty good and very good support, but it's not very hard and kind of soft. And it gave the shade concave, so your head put on here very comfortable and like settle, right? And the other side higher, so you don't falling off from the pillow. And it is lightweight, so after you're sleeping, and just open it, and there's a button. You press the button and air just go out, and you can pack that in your backpack. Very easy to use, and I got two, so both me and my wife go to camping to use this pillow. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you very much.